Akwa.
Yeah, so you make right. I don't want to die. Please rescue me.
Wait, you came with the list downstairs.
Dimension. Your car, is it tinted? Then they see from outside?
Yeah, no, it's not tinted.
Yeah, okay. It's on the side. Okay, there's a problem.
Shaking something. Yeah.
Now then they call the escape room, Abuja, play box, Abuja, Lagos, history, Amazon, Abuja.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Those who are calling here is joke. That one, that will say to you, yes, come, wait.
That's serious. That's serious.
When you park, they'll just stay, you enter car, you will negotiate. The guy that just came out from outside country, that day you say what, let us do and look for. You see what, very small, pretty. Look at this guy, he's a car, but hey, why are you standing outside? Yes, reassurance, yes.
I think yes.
Wow. We don't carry her.
Right. Okay.
This side are always busy. This is main Lagos Street.
Okay.
Yeah, time not the way time goes. This side will be. Task force used to always say they need to chase them.
Oh.
Yes, they don't come out.
Used to chase the girls?
Used to arrange them. They are abandoning those things.
Okay. Why did they pronounce Kariki? Why is just Kaki?
Kariki.
Kariki.
Yeah. wash car from morning to daybreak. That's how I used to wash car sometimes.